Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are well. Okay. So, student, in previous class, chapter related exercises were done, especially of chapter first, a letter to God. Now I have decided this chapter Nelson Mandela, Long Walk to Freedom. Dear student, you know Nelson Mandela. He was the first black head of democratic Africa. When he won the election, fully democratic election, on 10th of May in 1994. Student, before that time, before 10th May of 1994, you know, white settlers, white people, white supremacy of African country, they were ruling over. They had been ruling over there for near about 3 centuries. And against them, social reformer, international leader, supporter of humanity, African citizen, a philanthropist. Philanthropist means the person who is in the welfare of the human being, of the people. Nelson Mandela. He got birth there on the soil of South Africa on student 18th of July. 18th of July in 1918. Dear student, he got birth. Such a great man he was. He was philanthropist. He was social reformer. Always he was in the support of humanity. You know, after a hard struggle of 30 years of imprisonment, he faced there in his own motherland. He was imprisoned for 30 years, student, that is a longer time. He was imprisoned there. But when he came out from the cage, then he struggled hard, being a revolutionary against racial discrimination, against apartheid system, against segregation, a discrimination which is based on color. Another superstitiousness which was going on there. He fought against them. And this struggling personality, great man of Africa, not only the leader of Africa, he was the leader of international one. He was an international leader. By his achievement, student, you can guess how a great man he was. You know, Indian government gave him Bharat Ratna. Bharat Ratna award when in 1990. Okay, and second award what Indian government has given to him, that is Nobel Peace Prize. Nobel Peace Prize. You can now guess what personality he was. In 1993, one more, not by government of India, government of Pakistan. Third one, not third one, we will say That is, okay, third one I am writing about him. Nishan A. Nishan Pakistan. He was given Nissan Pakistan in 1992. Now easily student you could guess only India and only one neighboring country of India who gave their highest award and prize. Now you could guess student how he was, what a dignity he was, Nelson Mandela. And such a dignity once he got heaven, this word is molten. So he got heaven on student 12th of December in 2013. Everyone is model in the world. So he also got that. Student, through BBC London, when inauguration was going on 10th of May in 1994, he was addressing and he was getting oath to get the responsibility of being a president, and his ministry, they were also there present. Not only related to his country's citizen, even the noble people, the businessman, the politician, social reformer, even the world-class international leaders, they were present there. VVIPs were present there as a eyewitness of such a holiest occasion which was going to be held there on the soil of Africa. In his addressing student, Nelson Mandela, he is saying through the broadcast of BBC London, it was said that never the soil of Africa will experience any more such an inhumanity which was done, which had been going on there for 300 centuries against black people, against colored people. And one example that is related to our India also, student, to whom I say father of nation, Gandhiji, to whom we say father of nation Gandhiji, once he was also haunted by of such a discrimination when he was thrown from the compartment of a train, of a running train, he was thrown outside on the platform. Why? Because he was also colored one. Only that was fault of Gandhiji, you can say. Such a discrimination was going on there, student. So against such a discrimination, not only Nelson Mandela or Gandhiji, also he fought against such a discrimination which was going on in India. Segregation, discrimination at the basis of caste, creed, language, whatever were there, he fought against it. In the same way here, student, Nelson Mandela related this chapter, that is only an extract of Long Walk for Freedom, which is written by Nelson Mandela. It means this is autobiography through which we will move on, student. And one thing, activity is given here, student. Before that going, I have to tell you some more achievement of Nelson Mandela? You know, 252 seats he achieved. When democratic election was held, in which Nelson Mandela was winner, 252 seats out of 400 he gained there and became the president of Africa. Not only this, student, near about 100,000 South African men, women, old people, children, they all were celebrating. In each and every streets could be seen. They all were enjoying, they all were having fun and joy through dancing, through singing, through different activities. Why? Because there was inauguration of democracy. Now they would be able to enjoy their human life. So here student, today that is enough for you. Okay, in next video you will continue. Okay, an activity I has given you here student. I had given you, a rainbow gathering of different colors and nations. What it sends to which column B, to which part you will match it. That is student, the center of racial supremacy. First one will be a beautiful coming together of various people like colors and a rainbow. Okay, the seat of white supremacy will be matched with the center of racial supremacy. That is metaphor like this. B, overwhelmed with a sense of history, that will be matched with feel deeply emotional, remembering and understanding all the past events that have led up to the moment. And fourth one, student, resilience that defies the imagination. So you will match it with great ability to remain unchanged by suffering, hope, goodness or courage. This was hope in the black people in Africa. Now fifth one, a glimmer of humanity, that will be matched in column B, number, a sign of human feeling like goodness, kindness, pity and justice. Okay, and last one, a twilight exercise will be matched with, here student, a half secret life like a life lived in the fading light between sunset and darkness. So student, this was given to you homework, I have compared it. So today this is now we will get a pause here. Next day we will continue student. We have to go through for the remaining part. Thank you. Have a nice day and enjoy.